fellow adventurers, it's Daniel again. It's June 1st, National Bike Travel Weekend, and that's what I'm out doing today. So I just parked the Jeep. I've got my Marin Four Corners with some gear. I'm going to ride out to a little town in Colorado called Guffey, and then camp out there for the night, and then ride back here. So I just got to my parking spot. I'm going to drop the bike, get going. The road I'm on is like a little scenic byway, but I just saw some dude hauling a trailer doing like 50, 60 miles an hour in a like 25, 30 mile an hour road without a ton of shoulder, so it's a little bit nerve-wracking, but I guess as long as I pay attention, and I can get over if those hooligans come up the road. But it's not a very busy road, so, and I think I only have a few miles on it before I pick up the road that I intend to go on. So with that being said, I'll give you a quick rundown of the Marin, which I've shown you before several times, I think. Got the Lone Peak panniers on the back, got a mini haha bag up front, and then I've also got my Two Peak MTX bag in the Jeep, which I'll be bringing with me. So I'm super excited. I'll take you along for the ride, and we'll see how it goes. The weather's amazing. It's about 57 right now. It's supposed to be in like the mid-60s today. It's beautiful blue Colorado skies, so I'm loving it so far. See how it goes. Alright, so I'm only about a half hour in. I got a little bit longer on the pavement, and then it's gravel, and I'm really pumped about that. But it is just an amazing day, and I wanted to stop real quick because there's this cool area called Deer Park Trail. I don't know if you can see that sign, but let me show you. So the road goes in this way, and then it ends at some public property back there. So there's like equine camping and such. So there's a road right up here that veers off to the left that's Jeeps, ATVs only. So it must be a little bit rugged. I've actually never been down that road, but this area I've always had an interest in because it's just really pretty. You can see like the cottonwoods down there kind of by the creek, and then the meadow and so forth, and really killer vistas from here. So loving the ride. Just wanted to give you a little update, about halfway I think to the gravel, and then really looking forward to that. So I'll catch up with you soon. Off the pavement onto the gravel. Pretty excited. Here's the road. I think we have about 15 miles of this, so it's gonna be great. This is just, could not have been a more perfect day. Praise the Lord, man. Sunshine, blue sky. So I'll keep you updated on the gravel road. I've not been on this. Well, I drove it. When I drove it, there was about 8 inches of snow. So we'll see the quality of the road and stuff as we get into it. Ranch along this road. You can see their pond out here. Got some geese out in the field. Cool red barns right up against that hillside. Really pretty. Can't wait to see more of that. Alright, back to pavement. That was an incredible ride. So yeah, we're just a couple miles outside of Guffey, and pretty excited. The clouds are coming in, so I think it's just about perfect timing, but overall it's been a fantastic ride. So worth it. Hashtag bike travel weekend. So I did a little exploring, stopped by, talked to the gal at Strictly Guffey. If you're ever in Guffey, Colorado, be sure to talk to Dana. Very gracious lady, great information about the area, super fun to talk to. Nice area with home-baked goods and different like gift shop, just really neat here in Guffey, Colorado. As you can see, I set up my hammock under this gazebo in their park right behind the school, which is just like a great hangout. Field behind it is amazing. gonna chill for a minute, gather my thoughts, as if I haven't been thinking and gathering my thoughts for the past 5 hours I've been pedaling and farting around. But I may head over to the library and just check it out because I haven't been there. And yeah, just kind of chill. I got several hours to kill. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. I've got some other friends that are coming from the cycling club at 5 or 6. So for the next few hours, I'm just going to kind of chill and maybe look at a couple of their gift shops. They have like this permanent garage sale building, and really looking forward to exploring this tiny little town. So, but I'm going to chill in the hammock a little while longer before I do that. Alright, as you can see, got the tent all set up. A little bit of drizzle is perfect timing. I actually am going to enter the other door because the wind and rain is coming from this way. That is day number 2 of bike travel weekend. Woke up, ate a breakfast buffet, had a great night's sleep. Now climbing out. It's a good climb. Once you get to the top of this hill, it should basically be flat and downhill back to the car, so that'll be nice. Yesterday was over 3,000 feet of climbing, 27 miles, I want to say. So pretty good ride on gravel, so it was steep, as you saw. But yeah, looking forward to a little coast today. Waiting for my friend Maureen. My friend Kim is ahead of us. She came out to do some intervals up and down these hills. But overall great trip. So we'll see how the scenery is and the footage today. We're on a primary road, so I don't foresee it being too breathtaking, but we shall see. If it's worth filming, you can rest assured I'll film it. That's the end of bike travel weekend. I had virtually no time to take video. The weather was turning to crap, and I was trying to get back to the car as quick as I could. It ended up being over 30 miles today. Super hilly. I'll be interested to see what the elevation was. And also you saw that quick little clip of Flight for Life coming in. A gal wrecked her motorcycle going around like a little hairpin turn. And yeah, so prayers for that family. But excellent weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this bike ride. An adventure-filled weekend, and I hope that you will put on your calendar for next year to do National Bike Travel Weekend. It's the first weekend in June every year. It's spurred on by the Adventure Cycling Association. So very cool stuff. Go to a town you've never been to. Check out some sites you've already seen. It doesn't really matter. Just get out there and try to do an overnighter.